New York has always been a leader, right? We've always been ahead of the game, and certainly with ivory, we've been ahead of many other states in America in saying no to the trade of illegal ivory.
We realize that it is a three-pronged strategy. We need to stop the killing of these elephants, we need to stop the trafficking of elephant parts, and then we need to stop the demand.
Cannot continue at this level, or you won't have what we have, which is the presence of these glorious animals being present on this planet. That's the fact of life.